How to protect videos on Vimeo. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are on related topics like uploading videos, sharing content online, or just trying to keep your videos safe from being copied or downloaded, so here's what I can tell you about downloading videos or protecting your videos on Vimeo. First of all, launch open the Vimeo application on your device, which can be your Android device or iOS device. And once you're inside the home page logged into your account, go ahead and tap on the Manage button from the bottom of the screen and select one of your videos that you've saved to your library or project. After clicking on the video, in the bottom menu, tap on the Public dropdown, and then under Privacy, you will see the Allow Downloads tab. So, if you have a premium subscription, you can allow and disallow downloads. If you are using a free account, then downloads are already restricted by default. So your videos cannot be directly downloaded from Vimeo by viewers. However, people can still watch your video online, and like any other platform, nothing online is 100% copy proof because screen recording is always possible. So if you want to keep your videos safer, the best thing to do if you are not a premium subscription. So the best thing to do is to keep the Allow Download button turned off even if you are a premium subscriber, and you'll be able to protect your video from downloads. Also, another thing you can do is to keep your video private. From the same page, click the private option and click on Done. As long as you have your video private, no one will be able to download your video. And that's it. Protecting your video is actually very simple once you understand where the settings are. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.